Hello, I am Rupam Shardar, Assistant Professor in Engineering College, and I am in Computer Science Department, teacher. So we are going to learn. I have also cracked GATE and NET exam. So UGC NET, I am discussing some questions. UGC NET December 2007. Okay. Verbal guidance is not appropriate when it's matter of one, aptitude, number two, skill, number three, relationship, and number four, attitude. What is the question asked for us? The question have been asked here. Verbal guidance, you are guiding me verbally. So you are guiding me verbally. This is the keyword. You have to understand this. That when I am guiding you verbally, aptitude, yes, aptitude can be. What do you mean by aptitude? Aptitude means your English and mathematics, English and math. If I am thinking that, or reasoning. So for this, it is obviously important that I can guide someone appropriately with use my verbal guidance and giving my lecture. Skills, relationship, attitude. Attitude only changed by verbal guidance, I think. Behavioral changes comes from learning, and learning comes from guidance. Guidance may be verbal, non-verbal. A teacher always teach you verbally, non-verbally in two ways. So attitude also can be affected. Relationship, without communication, there is no relationship. So for relationship, obviously, but when it is comes about skill, I am teaching you C, Java, Verilog. When I teach in my college, I just show them by doing code in my hand at first. I show them output, then I told them the way to get output, how you can write the code. So at first I demonstrate them, then I ask them to do another program. This is the first. So the answer will be skill. Number two question. Number two question is, what is the learning outcome should be? The number two question. I am not giving you detail in the question because only to give and the right answer is not my motto. My motto is you learn something, and definitely our team can teach you. I have here my who is capturing the video himself is Sanjeev Ghosh, and he is a geography teacher. We can teach a geography also. Okay. So number two is a learning outcome. Learning outcome. What is the learning outcome? What is the learning outcome? personality development. Number 2, behavioral changes or behavioral modification. Socially and politically strong. Or none of these. So I am not telling that this is December UGC NET. It is this question made by me only. So guidance of UGC NET. So personality development is a course of learning outcome obviously, but it is not the final. What is the actually personality? The social and politically strong. Yes, if socially and politically, if you are communicating, it is needed that we should to be educated. And Che Guevara have told, if you want to be a if you want get a revolution, at first you have to become a educated person, a scholar. A scholar can change. So the change is, if your behavior modification is not changed, that means I born with 2 legs and hands. I like to eat. I run. Now I run code. This is my learning. I eat food, water, rice. I run, and now I am a programmer. I am a teacher. This is the learning. This is the behavior change by a child to a teacher. The behavioral modification is the learning outcome. Okay. Come to the next point. Maximum participation can be done by the student in one what? Lecture, PowerPoint presentation, discussion, demonstration. So if you want to involve in something, now in every exam like GATE, GRE, TOEFL, IELTS, everywhere you want to get entry, the entry point will be the discussion, GD, group discussion. Group discussion. A group discussion evaluates your knowledge, your skills, your language, whatever you're saying, what is your depth, everything is captured by this discussion method. So if I want to make a good team, then my discussion should be good. Otherwise it cannot be. Okay? Thank you very much. Up to this paper 1. is ends here. I will go to the next part of operating system. Thank you very much.